Good Tuesday afternoon to all of you, and thanks for checking in here. We're talking about the snow from this morning moving away, and pretty much this system behaved as it was supposed to. We saw the snow move in for the morning rush, and it thumped pretty good for a couple hours, putting down the general call for about 2 to 4 inches or so across the region. And now the last band is crossing through Lehigh County and moving away. This little bit here is really not making it to the ground, so the drier air is moving in, and this will set the stage for a clearing evening. Snow totals look like this: 4.2 in Quakertown. These are the areas in and around the Lehigh Valley that I've included here. So there were some higher amounts to the south and east, but as far as right around the Lehigh Valley, 4.2 was the highest I could find in Quakertown. At Lehigh Valley International, 3 inches with a little bit more coming down right now, maybe adding a tenth or two. Bethlehem, 2.8, that's in the city. Martins Creek, 2.1, and in Neffs, 2 inches of snow. That was about 30 minutes ago, so maybe 2.1 or 2.2, but this will pretty much do it. The first widespread coverage of the snow for the Lehigh Valley, and more could be on the way. I have a chance in the 7-day. As far as the cold, though, that is coming diving in, tomorrow morning you'll wake up to 17 degrees in Allentown, normally which we should be around 26. We won't even get here for the highs for a couple days this week, just to put it in perspective. 18 in Reading tomorrow morning, 10 up in Mount Pocono, 14 in Flanders, 22 in Trenton, 23 in Philadelphia, and 16 in Lancaster. A cold Wednesday morning across the board. So future weather shows the snow will be moving away. The sun could come out this afternoon right before sunset by about 4:30, so we'll slowly clear out the skies this evening. Overnight it'll be clear. That will allow those temperatures to really fall. Tomorrow morning, clear skies, cold, temperatures will be in the teens. During the afternoon, still looking sunny. There could be a few passing snow flurries thanks to those cold winds blowing over the relatively warm lake waters. That's the lake effect for the day on Wednesday. Now, as we continue to progress in time, Thursday is still looking pretty nice with a lot of sunshine, but very cold. We are going to be talking about cold temperatures that technically we're not even normally supposed to see in the entire winter season. Highs will be in the 20s, really struggling, and then by Friday, our eyes will be turning to the south, an area of gathering moisture down here in the Gulf region. This will be tracking up toward the north and east, and for Saturday, this will be affecting us. Another wintry bout of weather does look to be on tap. The question becomes, will it eventually warm up and go over to rain, or will it stay frozen? Right now, a lot of variables to continue to go through, but the next chance of wintry weather is over the weekend. For tonight, clearing skies, much colder, 14 to 17 for that range across the valley overnight. With northwesterly winds, it will feel more like it is 10 degrees when you wake up tomorrow morning. During the afternoon, highs will be struggling, only warming up about 10 degrees. It will be bitter cold despite a full day of sunshine. Now, the 7-day forecast keeps temperatures very chilly. In the freezer we go for Thursday, waking up to 12, only 24 by the afternoon. Friday, a frigid start. How about 7? Within 2 degrees of the record low Friday morning, only up to 26. And then here's the next storm system for the weekend. Snow and ice could move in Saturday afternoon with temperatures in the 30s, but that could change depending on the track of the storm. Could linger into Sunday, and then next week another blast of cold. We're right back in the 20s this December, shaping up to be a cold and wintry one.